Hello, this is my first video on this channel, and this channel will mainly be about coding and the many projects I'm making, how they work, what each piece does. So this is one of my projects. I did this quite a while ago. So yeah, I'm gonna go over it and explain how it works. First of all, the site that I'm using to run this, it's an app called VS Code. You can download it on many different sites. I'm doing this in Python, but if you wanted to, you could also code in JavaScript and many other code. But you can see that there's a lot of stuff here. You could always get the terminal. There's a debug console over here. So it's if you want to code, this is a really good way to. I could put the link in my description. Soon I will be having a GitHub site so that I could so when I have that I will tell you guys, and I will also put the link in my description. Anyway, so let's start about this code. This code is all about taking something like I don't know and converting it into the acronym IDK. And so I can explain what each of this is. The green is an actual code that is just a comment. Those of you who have coded before probably know what a comment is, but in case you don't, a comment is what is a piece of code that is used to just as notes or to explain something. Anyway, so let's start. So the first thing I did was I made a variable, and this variable is user input. Realistically, you do not need this string piece, but I find it a lot better to always use the string, the float, or the integers, or whatever data type you have, because that it's a good habit, and it makes it a lot easier. So over here, I basically take from the user what's their acronym. And this is an empty variable for storage. I will show you what it's used for later. So over here, we are splitting this string that we got over here by each space. That way we could take the first letter. So now I create a new so now I'm running a for loop. And in this for loop, I basically say I run each word in my list over here. This list contains the words that I just split and that are in the string. So from that, I run an if else to check that if the first term in my list is one of these, because I want to make sure that it's capitalized, because usually when you're using an acronym, it's capitalized. So for for those of you who don't know, zero is in Python the first piece of a list, like the first item in a list. So if I made a list over here, and let's make this comment. If I had my list over here, then I had then it would be numbered like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., etc., etc. So it keeps on going like this. Now, I've this piece over here says that each, the first letter will always be capitalized if it's lowercase. And if it's not lowercase, then it's already uppercase, so I just take the first letter. This letter is a new variable, and I put this variable inside of the empty string I had at the beginning. This is really useful because it allows you to put and enter things into a variable. And in this case, this plus equals is the same as saying acronym is oops. is acronym is equal to acronym plus, plus letter. And this is just a shortened version of it. And you could also do this for minus, so this would be the same thing, but you would have to use that whenever it's in the correct time. And so you store the first letter from each of the words in here. Of course, this wouldn't be like foolproof, such as if you said something like The Tale of Two Cities, its acronym is TTC, but if I run this, I would get something else. I would get TOTC, which because it also accounts for the word of. But if you use a really simple one, like I don't care, then you get IDC. You could also get IDK from I don't know. Anyways, this was my first program that I've showed you guys. There will be more in the future. Please subscribe, please like. It would mean a lot, and I really hope you guys are interested for my later videos.